Arizona because we have sun all year long. That's why we live in Arizona. But the sun can also be a problem unless you have one of these. Check this out. This is an automatic awning from All Pro Shade Concepts. Now, here's what's so cool about it. The sun sets over there to the west, but the ceilings here are super high. So guess what? If you put a normal awning on here, it's not gonna help you from the sun. This is Robert Mulvin. He is the owner of All Pro Shade Concepts. So what is unique about this shade, Robert? You had to do it this way.
Yeah, we have an adjustable pitch on our arms so we can raise and lower the pitch depending on how high or low your soffit's mounted.
Okay, so the ceilings up here are pretty high. How high would you say?
These are about 12 feet tall.
Okay, so if you put an awning that went straight out, that's not gonna do anything.
No, this will be just blasted. It would be useless.
Yeah.
So these are basically a necessity with any homeowner application.
Okay, okay. And this is a pretty wide opening as well.
Yeah, this
How wide is
22
this?
feet.
How
and
wide
we like
can
to
you go?
overlap that. We go about 30 feet with a retractable
Okay.
awning. Any more than that, you want to split it into two.
Okay.
But this is rather large. We add an extra arm for strength and stability, but then that adds more light. It adds more shade. There's no splits. There's no seams in the middle.
Oh, I love that. I love that. And it's automatic. So because they're just so high, you don't want to be cranking them something this big, right? So you've got a little button for that. All right, I want to check out something over here because sometimes when you go into a home, you'll find that you have some challenges. This home had some soffits across the top, which are these little, I don't know
Pop-outs.
Pop-outs, thank you. That could be a challenge for some people, but not for you guys. How'd you figure it out?
Decorative, but it doesn't work when you have a big shade. So we had to create space, square tubing, all that powder coated to match to make it look like it was supposed to be here.
Yeah, because it's like flush on one end, but not on the other.
And then there's steps and no, we can make it work.
Okay, but here's what's cool about it. So instead of doing an overhang here, the homeowner decided they wanted a roll down shade, which created this little niche in here, which you might notice we've got a little heater back here.
Yeah.
This is nice and warm in here.
Yeah. No, so this is an area they wanted to use year round. So wintertime, they put the space heater on, drop the shade. It's like 10 to 15 degrees warmer.
Oh, absolutely.
In the summer, it's like 15 degrees cooler.
And that's what you have to remember. You know, shade isn't just for the summer. Shade could be an enclosure for a space.
Huge benefit.
Right.
Especially with all the fabric densities and blackouts or just straight airflow. So we can go from nothing to everything.
Yeah, increase your living space, outdoor living space. Now, they are in a homeowners association here. How does that work?
So with homeowners associations, they want everybody to kind of match. They want everybody the same. So they want the frames to match. We have powder coat colors that'll match basically any frame, paint on customers' homes or very, very close to it. So they always get approved through the HOA.
And you guys help us with that process?
Yeah, we always guide them through that. We look at the CCNRs.
All right, and so you also have a really cool addition to your website.
Yeah, so with our retractable awnings, if you don't kind of know what it's going to look like, we have an awning simulator on the website. When our salesmen are at your house, they take a picture with the iPad of your opening and dial in the awning and change the color. So you can pick a better color without coming to the showroom, but it's great to come to the showroom. You can see the stuff in action.
Yeah, you can touch it, feel it, see how it operates, see what's best for you. But your sales guys and gals really know that you can offer up advice that, you know, this would probably be a better option based on our needs.
Yeah, we come here, we assess the property, we make options and give you advice and make you choose an informed decision that best fits your needs for summer, winter, whatever you need.
Yeah, summer, winter. Mostly summer here in Arizona, but it's all good because there's sun all the time. All right, good stuff, Robert. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Here's more information. All right, and here's the best part. He also has a showroom now if you want to go check it out for yourself. It is by appointment only. So here's the deal, okay? Little special offer here. Robert just mentioned it. Free estimate and free installation. You can visit the showroom, just make an appointment at All Pro Shade Concepts at 623-204-1476 or visit the website to see and learn more, allproshadeconcepts.com. And you got home projects? Be sure and follow All Pro Shade Concepts and other businesses and services that can help you out. Find our list of Home Pro experts to make it easy, abc15.com/homepros.